All right, so what do you do in the event that you have a broken pipe or anything like that? You need to turn the water off quick. I'm going to walk you through on how to safely turn off your water in the event of a broken pipe, or if you just need to turn off your water in an emergency. So come on, let me show you. All right, so typically what you're going to see is a meter box, and a meter box looks like this. It's either going to be round or it's going to be square like that. It's either going to be on the right side of your property line, or it's going to be on the left side of your property. But here we go. Let me just show you what this looks like. So if you need to turn off the water, you come out here to the meter box and you want to open this up. You can see right here, covered in mud right here. This is typically what you're going to see. So you're probably going to get a little dirty doing this, but it's a good thing to know where to turn off your water. This one actually has a meter in here, and then it has what you call a homeowner emergency shutoff, which is in that bucket right there. And then in this last bucket over here, you're going to see what is called a pressure reducing valve. So if you have one of these homeowner shutoffs right here, a good tool to have is this meter key right here. And you can pick this up at Home Depot or Lowe's or any local plumbing supply house. Always good to have one in your garage. And what you want to do is just stick that on the valve handle, just like so. You can see the valve handle down there, and you just stick this on like so. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, and it's going to be, that's in the off position. If you have a ball valve, which is what we have here, that's the off position. On position, in direction with the house, off position, just like that. And so that's off. All right, let's say you don't have an emergency shut off like that one right there. You have to come out to the meter. What you want to do is you want to find this shut off right here. It's going to have an arrow on it pointing to the direction of the home. And what you want to do is you want to turn that arrow to the right. Same thing, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And you just put your meter key on there and you just turn until it stops. You don't want to put, so you're literally going to turn it until it faces away from the house. There's an arrow right there, okay? And that's it. So in case you have an emergency, you need to turn off your water, that's the way to do it.